Hi everyone, I'm back at India's border, which is actually really close to my hometown. Last time I visited, the weather was pretty rough. It was foggy, dark, and rainy, so I couldn't explore the area. Let's explore. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here at Gufapatal again. I am here with Binod. So today I came here to show you the view because last time I didn't explore much because the weather was not so good. So today let's go and explore Gufapatal view, okay? So guys, check out the views of India's border. Now we have to go up. So guys, this part is Nepal. We're still in India. Now we'll do ticket here and go to Nepal and explore. Stay tuned. Now we just did a ticket and go. You can see the traditional clothes also here. Maybe we'll wear someday, not today. So check out the view, guys. Wow, this is the view of Gufapatal, Nepal. So this is the view of Gufapatal, Nepal's border. So this Gufapatal is also known as second Kashmir, mini Kashmir actually. Kashmir is located in India and this place is in Nepal, guys. See the flowers, wow. It's so beautiful. Last time I came here to show you this view, but the weather was not so good, that's why I didn't explore. And today finally I'm here, guys. I hope you love this view. Amazing view. I feel so peace. It's so clean here, guys. This is I love Nepal. The scenery. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Now we are leaving Nepal's border. Now let's go to India. So guys, check out the view here. Maybe I'll dance there and see there is a tent also. This is so beautiful, guys. Amazing view. So guys, it was so fun. I hope you guys also enjoyed my vlog. If you like my vlog, then please subscribe
subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Meet you guys on my next adventure. Bye.